French toast. Step 1. Gently heat the maple syrup and blueberries in a saucepan until the berries start to release their juices. Set them to one side in the pan.
And this is one that my responsible adult did earlier.
Step 2. Whisk the chickpea flour, almond meal, cinnamon, milk and vanilla together in a bowl.
Okay, now that that's done, I need a responsible adult, please.
Step 3.
Thank you.
Heat a little oil in a frying pan. Dip a slice of bread into the milk mixture. Shake off any excess.
Okay, your turn.
And fry the bread on both sides until it's brown and crispy at the edges. Keep the slices warm in a low oven as you cook the rest.
Oh wow, these look great. Thank you so much, responsible adult. Bye.
Step 5. Serve with the blueberry mixture, Greek yogurt,
Time to dust this one off.
and dust off with icing sugar.